Attention, attention, all my hot girls. If you'd like to see how to get this makeup look, please stay tuned for this video. Alright, you guys, so it is hot girl season, and of course Meg Thee Stallion set the bar high for all of us hot girls, and we're going to follow by that code, all 2019. But this is something that I wanted to do. I wanted to create a makeup look for us hot girls because it is outside, and we don't want to be sweating off our makeup. So this is my go-to hot girl look because of course I don't want to do something that's too dramatic, but I don't want to do something that's so simple. So I kind of went with this look right here. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, please stay tuned and let's get into the video. Yeah, so first I'm going to start off with some affordable hot girl stuff. So I'm going to go in with the LA Color Eyebrow Pencil. It is for eyeliner and eyebrows. Alright, so it is hot girl season, and we also don't want to be too cakey or do too much because we want a natural, like, oh, hot girl season. We ain't gotta do so dramatic. You can do light eyes and dramatic lashes, and that'll set off a hot girl look. So that's exactly what I'm gonna go for. So I'm going to go in with some mink And now that I'm finished my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, and I'll be back with some hot girl shit. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is my hot girl go-to, as I said before in the beginning of the video. If you like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah.